welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a 6x6 build battle with BLueAlien Playsss. I'll link their channel in the description. I highly recommend checking out their channel. They post a variety of Roblox content, so yeah. I'm going to be doing the building in it's like speed build, so because if I don't, then it'll be super boring, so yeah. Okay, so we are gonna tour hers first. We had 30 minutes to build, so yeah. We have a kitchen, a living room, and some stairs, and a balcony over here. Oh no. Is there not a door? She needs to put a door real quick. Okay, she fixed it. And then there's a bedroom, super nice, and a bathroom. And then the balcony. Yeah, onto my house. Alright, this is my house. Go in, and there's a living room and a kitchen, and then you go up, and then there is a bathroom and the bedroom. Okay, that's it for this video. Let me know if you want any more videos like these, and let me know some video ideas because I'm running out. Also, leave some questions for a Q&A. I'm going to do that in the future. So yeah, thanks for watching.